Fixing Junk, August 2nd, Friday, August 2nd, 2024. So I got this antique, well, it's kind of, it's not really a decent antique. Somebody found it on the side of the road and gave it to me. My buddy, Andy, whose last name shall remain nameless, may or may not be his actual name. Some names have been changed to protect the innocent. He's not innocent. None of my friends are innocent. So, we want to fix this. Gorilla Glue. This is really cool stuff. Let me... Baby Hitler, he's a dictator. Okay. All right. So we've got Gorilla Glue. This is a polyester glue. The way you use this is moisten. Man, lights, camera, action. We say, we're centered and everything. Okay. So you want to use a moist paper towel. And this stuff is great because it sets up in like an hour or so. Moisten. You don't need to soak this. We're going to moisten all the edges, all the sides. And what we got here is a screw that's barely sticking out. I can probably pull that out a little bit better if I had, oh, I don't know, like a pair of pliers or something. This probably isn't the... and I'm just... There we go. So we get that thing all the way out as far as we can. Now, we've moistened the surfaces. So now that those are moist, we can take our Gorilla Glue and we drip a little into the screw hole. Come on. Oh, there we go. That's plenty. Plenty. All right. Now, if you had a toothpick, which I should have had, I'm going to put the lid back on that to keep that sealed up. Just got a big collection of all sorts of new solvents and stuff to do everything. Probably get some brain damage and whatever. Should have a toothpick in here. All right, I'll just use this other screw. We're going to shove a little bit of that glue. Oh man, it's getting all... Don't get this on your fingers. If you do get it on your fingers, you can clean it up with mineral spirits. Again, another solvent. We're going to get some on the screw end here. We're going to smear it around the surface a little bit. And what happens is, this is a polyester. It foams up, it expands, it fills the entire gap. Again, throw this in the trash right away so you don't get it all over. If you do get it on your fingers, you're going to need, again, some solvent, Bra Clean, Bray Clean, red, green, different kinds. This is, I thought that was Bra Clean. Okay, Bray Clean. I stand corrected. So we're going to swivel this back around, shove that screw in there without pushing it back into the thing. We're going to push that in there. Now, the best thing to do is to clamp, but I don't have a clamp that's going to go around a 3 thing. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab some tape. You could also use saran wrap, or this is packing tape. I got this from, somebody was throwing this out, a whole box of it. I almost gave it to somebody, but like, I'll use that someday maybe. And I've been using the heck out of it. So again, free stuff out of a dumpster. Don't have to buy anything. It's, you know, you can do it. You can get whatever you want for free. This repair is going to be probably so good and invisible, I won't even be able to tell which one was glued. Well, if I'm lucky. So we just put that on there. Now, if I really wanted to go crazy with a clamp, I got a Uncle Fester's headache clamp. This is called a Jorgensen clamp, actually. So if there was a way to put this on here, and there probably is, each turn of this opens or closes at a 1/4 inch. So if this is all the way closed at 0, and I want to open this 1 inch, you go 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 1 inch there. Wait, no, it doesn't look right. That's not an inch. All right, I'm wrong. Forget it. Forget that part of the video. We're going to open this up a little bit more. Da 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 da. I thought it was a 1/4 inch per turn. That's what the guy told me. All right, that's not going to work. Forget that. We're not doing that. We're just going to go with the saran wrap. We're going to let that thing cure, cook, and go on there. And that's going to be a permanent fix. No problemo.